Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Bilal and you are watching Bilal Mobile's RYK YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you Airdrop not working on iPhone, iPad or Mac after update the new iOS version. So guys, if your Airdrop is not working, on your iPhone, iPad and MacBook, keep watching the video until the end and follow all steps to fix Airdrop not working problem. Number one is ensure your device is powered on and unlocked. If your device is powered on and locked, Airdrop is not working. Simply unlock your device and fix your Airdrop problem. Number second is make sure your Airdrop is turned on. Tap on Wi-Fi settings, tap on Airdrop and select every for 10 minutes and fix Airdrop problem. If Airdrop is off and not select to everyone, your Airdrop is not working. If solution number 2 is not working, now applying the solution number 3. Solution number 3 is toggle Wi-Fi and Bluetooth toggle is turn it on. If not turn on, Airdrop is not working. Tap on settings, tap on Wi-Fi, toggle turn it on, tap on Bluetooth, toggle turn it on. If turn it off, simply turn it on and fix your problem. If solution number 3 is not working, now applying this solution number 4. Solution number 4 is if you are using personal hotspot, turn it off, tap on settings, tap on cellular data, turn off personal hotspot setting and fix your problem. If solution number 4 is not working, now applying this solution number 5. Solution number 5 is simply check your iOS update. Tap on general, tap on software update. If update is pending or available, download and install the update and fix your problem. If solution number 5 is not working, now applying the solution number 6. Solution number 6 is restart your iPhone, iPad or Mac and fix your problem. Tap on settings, tap on general, little bit scroll up, shut down your iPhone, iPad and MacBook and fix your Airdrop not working problem on iPhone. If solution number 6 is not working, if you are using VPN, disable and delete your VPN and fix your problem. Tap on settings, tap on general, tap on device management. If your iPhone is connected to VPN, simply disable your VPN and fix your problem. If solution number 7 is not working, now applying the solution number 8. Solution number 8 is reset network settings. Tap on settings, tap on general, little bit scroll up, tap on transfer or reset iPhone, tap on reset network settings, enter your iPhone passcode, reset your network settings and fix this problem. If all solutions are not working, simply visit the nearest Apple store or authorized dealer and contact support.apple.com for further assistance. And if you are using beta version, simply upgrade and downgrade your mobile or MacBook or iPad with official version and fix Airdrop not working problem on iPhone, iPad and MacBook. If video is helpful for you, please don't forget to share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.